Hey guys, so today we're gonna, just a sec. As we just learned, cleaning up is very important. That's why today I'm going to talk about cleaning up your payments and invoices in ServiceMonster 6 before you transfer them over to QuickBooks. Alright, so to begin, I need you to go to the navigator on the left-hand side, click Orders, go to Accounting, click on that. Now, to view the invoices and payments that are about to be transferred over, you can go to Non-Posted Invoices or Non-Posted Payments. I'm going to go ahead and go to Invoices. I'm looking through my list, making sure everything's okay, and I notice one at the top that I don't want to send to QuickBooks quite yet. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the order number, and this will pop up. Now go to the right-hand side, and you're going to notice this posted box. Go ahead and check that, and then go click Save. This is going to successfully keep it from the pending transferred, and you won't find it in QuickBooks later. The same goes for payments. So go ahead and click on Non-Posted Payments, checking out what I'm going to send over. Don't think I want to send this one. Click on the payment. This pop-up will appear, and you'll notice at the bottom another posted box. Go ahead and check that. Click Save, and you should be good to go. Now that we've cleaned up, transfer time! Stick around to learn how to run your web connector. For more online training, please visit our website at www.servicemonster.net/help. We are here to help you.